When Nussbaum set out to create a specialized piece of equipment for Electrolux, we started by asking questions.
What if we were to do this? Is there a possibility?
What if I can develop a heavy-duty van that not only can haul like a flatbed, but can reload like a standard trailer so that you can utilize it both ways?
And what he was asking for more than anything is, can it be done?
Could you build one big enough to handle 10,000, 15,000 pound coils that are typically moved on flatbeds, build it as a van trailer to be able to haul these big heavy coils inbound and then yet use it for outbound finished product moving back to the regional distribution center and their customers? And they said, yeah, we think we can do that.
Nussbaum was the first to come to us with a concept that none of us had heard of. We'd all thought about it, we'd all wanted a better way, but Nussbaum actually came up with the way. They went forward with it and they involved us throughout the process.
It's the first in the industry. First trailer ever built like this.
It began as an idea. With the right piece of equipment, we could pair inbound steel coils headed for the Electrolux manufacturing plant in St. Cloud, Minnesota, with outbound finished product heading to their distributors, all on the same trailer. This idea would help solve an ongoing problem Electrolux faced, finding flatbed carriers to haul the inbound freight.
The flatbed business is a very small, tight-knit business. And we've seen it recently where it's gotten very tight. We could not find equipment to haul our product for almost no price.
With flatbeds, it's a one-way trip for us. You know, we've got steel coils coming in and we've got nothing we can utilize on that trailer going out. So we've got capacity leaving the plant and we can't do anything with it.
This idea would eliminate significant deadhead miles, put fewer trucks on the road, and cut fuel consumption dramatically.
If we could see your shipment patterns moving inbound to the plant and then moving outbound, we could put together a dedicated scenario by which this freight would move in a round-trip fashion, and in so doing you'd tie up your freight cost and you'd know consistently what it was day to day, week to week, month to month, year to year. And they loved the idea.
First challenge was to design the trailer. We relied on the experts at Wabash National.
We started working on this project with Wabash. It literally took us about a year from the time we started designing it, working directly with Wabash engineers, to the time that they tested it to make certain that this trailer was able to withstand that kind of impact on the floor.
Brent and his team were very good about going to St. Cloud, involving them in the engineering development process, and showing them how the trailer would work. Now they're our biggest supporter of the product.
The Nussbaum X-Duty trailer was designed to meet extremely high load requirements.
Typically in our industry, a 48,000 pound is a full trailer gross load in most applications. So that we're talking about going in there almost with a full gross load in one lift. We set that down on the floor, and then the forklift, which is more than half of that load, then backs out of the trailer and grabs another one. It is a load requirement that is not just 5 or 6% higher than what we've done in the past. We're talking about something that is well over 50% higher than anything really that's been done in the industry.
At the shipping end, the benefits of the Nussbaum X-Duty trailer are very clear. Improvements in safety, speed and savings, as well as significant reductions in damage were noted at Electrolux.
Yes, it's saving us money. It used to be a one-way trip, is now a round trip. So we're loaded going in and we're loaded going back out.
Nussbaum as a carrier was very forward-thinking. They were very willing to think out of the box, so to speak, where other carriers sometimes won't take a chance. They want to go with what's status quo. And we knew we couldn't do that if we were going to get ahead, and I think they did as well. They saw it as an opportunity, and we saw it as an opportunity.
At Nussbaum, we're setting new ideas in motion every day through innovations large and small.
If I've got an issue or a problem, who do I want to call? I want to call the carrier that's going to bring me a solution, and that's Nussbaum.